Hello everybody, today I'm gonna tell you how to make an object glow that looks like this in Unity. So yeah, let's go to our new scene so I can show you to tell you how to do this by step. Before we do that, we need to check on the windows. We need to check if we have, oh wait, we need to have a post-processing first. Post-processing is located in the window, package manager, and just search up in here, post-processing, and there it is. And as you can see, I already installed it. And if you haven't installed it, just press install and Unity will do everything for you. Alright, so if you have already installed the post-processing, now you can finally make an object glow. Let's make this sphere our glow object. Let's make it glow. Let's call it glow. And as you can see in here, wait, you need to go to the layer and let's add layer in here. Let's make this a glow layer. I'll tell you why we do this. Just hang on a second. So go back to our glow object, go to the layer and make it glow. And now to our camera in here, let's add a component called post process layer. So post process layer gonna search all of the things that in this layer, gonna search all of the object that has this glow layer and gonna apply some effect to it. For this one, a glow effect. So okay, go back to our glow object, add our another component called post process volume. Alright, so now in this post process volume there's this thing called profile, and just press new, and as you can see in our scenes now there's this thing called test profile, and yeah, this one is basically this thing, and you can add an effect in here. Okay, let's add an effect, and that's our glow effect. So glow effect is basically bloom. So in this bloom thing, there's so many options in here, but intensity is one of the most important option in here, because this one is the thing that does the glow stuff. And even if you crank it so many times, there's nothing happening right now. But if you press is global, and as you can see, things start changing right now. The white is getting brighter, and that's what basically bloom do. It makes the white things in the image more brighter. But we don't want that. We only want our object to glow, and in order to do that, just remember, okay, wait, hold on, I just wanted you to remember to always put is global, because some people always keep forgetting it. Okay, so yeah, alright, go back to our create a material. Now I go back to our project panel and create another new material. This material is gonna call glow, and in here there's this thing called emission, and this one basically make our object a bit light. And one of the most important thing, okay, let's set it to white. And wait, hold on, we haven't even actually and you see it's actually make it a little bit brighter. And if you crank up in here in the HDR intensity, look at that glowing object. Let's make it at 2.5 because I don't really want a little big breaks in my eyes. So yeah, that's how you do the glowing object. Okay, so since we have so many time, I just want to tell you one thing about this is global thing. So what it's basically do is it checks for the sphere collider thing in here. Let's make it 2, I guess. And if this sphere collider is colliding with the camera in here, yeah, okay, let's go. As you can see, if it's colliding with the camera in here, that's camera. If it's colliding with it, boom, bloom effect. So yeah, that's all of it for this video. I hope you find something helpful for this video, and I'm sorry if I stutter a little bit. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.